Are you tired of wondering exactly where your money goes every month? Do you want to take control of your finances and build a solid budget, but think it's too complicated? The truth is, understanding your spending is the first and most critical step to financial freedom. And if you're an EverBank client, you already have powerful digital tools right at your fingertips to make budgeting and tracking your spending simple and seamless. Today, we're diving into the EverBank online and mobile experience to show you exactly how to track your spending and start building a smarter budget. The core of your budgeting strategy is found in two places: your online banking dashboard and the EverBank mobile app. Step 1. Track your spending with transaction history. The first rule of budgeting is to know your starting point. EverBank makes this incredibly easy. Simply log into your account either through the website or the mobile app. From your account summary, you can view the transaction history for any of your accounts: checking, savings, or money market. Here's the power move: EverBank keeps up to 18 months of transaction history available online. This is huge because it lets you look back and identify spending patterns you didn't even know existed. You can easily search, sort, and view detailed transaction information. Look for recurring expenses, highlight those wants versus needs, and see exactly where your cash flow is going. If you use external software like Quicken, EverBank also supports downloading your data, giving you even more flexibility. Step 2. Use alerts to stay on budget. Effective budgeting is about staying on top of your money in real time, not just at the end of the month. That's where EverBank's enhanced alerts and push notifications come in. Think of alerts as your personal budget watchdog. You can set them up to notify you about specific activities, which is perfect for budget tracking. Transaction alerts: get a text or email anytime a transaction over a certain dollar amount occurs. This is great for catching large, unplanned spending. Balance alerts: set a minimum balance alert. If your account drops below the amount you need for monthly bills, you'll get a push notification, allowing you to quickly course correct before you overspend. Debit card management: you can manage and set limits on your debit card use directly in the app. This is a built-in control mechanism to help you stick to your spending limits. By customizing these alerts, you turn passive transaction viewing into an active budgeting process. Step 3. Leverage online bill pay for recurring expenses. One of the biggest leaks in any budget is inconsistent bill payment. EverBank's online bill pay feature helps you lock down your fixed expenses. You can schedule one-time or recurring payments for all your utilities, credit cards, and other fixed costs. This ensures you never miss a payment and makes your monthly budget predictable. You can even search and view up to 24 months of bill pay history to see if your utilities or services costs are creeping up over time. Putting it all together. So, here's your 3-part EverBank budgeting action plan. Analyze, download, and review a few months of your transaction history to categorize your spending and find your current average. Control, use online bill pay to fix your recurring expenses and debit card management to set spending limits. Monitor, set up account and transaction alerts to stay ahead of your budget in real time. By using these powerful, integrated digital tools, you can move past simply banking and start actively managing and mastering your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.